Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Open Settings on your iPhone or iPad and tap your name at the top. Tap Media and Purchases to open App Store purchase settings. Tap Password Settings to view the purchase rules and toggles. You will see free downloads and require password options for purchases and in-app purchases. If you want fewer prompts, choose Require after 15 minutes for purchases. If you prefer maximum security, choose Always Require for every transaction. Open Settings and then tap Face ID and Passcode or Touch ID and Passcode on your device. Enter your device passcode when prompted to access biometric settings. Scroll to the Use Face ID for or Use Touch ID for section and enable iTunes and App Store. This allows the App Store to accept Face ID or Touch ID instead of typing your password. Biometric authentication speeds transactions and reduces password prompts for most purchases and free downloads. Go back to Settings, then Media and Purchases, and open Password Settings to adjust specifics. Toggle Require Password off for free downloads if you do not want prompts for free apps. Choose Require after 15 minutes to allow additional purchases within 15 minutes without repeating your password. If changes do not apply immediately, sign out of Media and Purchases and sign back in to refresh settings. As a final step, restart the device to ensure all new rules are active.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.